Hi there, students. Brickle, brickle, brickle. Okay, for me as a Brit, this is not a very common word. It means something that is brittle. Notice brickle and brittle, they sound very similar. So something that is brickle is something that breaks easily. It's something that it breaks without a great deal of problems. It's brittle. It's something that tends to fracture. Is easily broken. It doesn't have much elasticity, and then it's easy to crack. It's easy to fracture and snap. So somebody could have brickle bones. That I think is osteoporosis. Glass is brickle. Okay, so it's something that's breakable. It's capable of being damaged. It's something that's not difficult to damage because it breaks quite easily. It's easily broken. Okay, so brickle, something that you're not going to have problems breaking. The thin ice on the pond was brickle and cracked easily underfoot. The old vase was very brickle, and one wrong move could break it. The new recipe for biscuits resulted in a set of biscuits that were brickle and delicious. Okay, the company's Brickle finances made it difficult for them to survive when the downturn came. Okay, so something that's brickle is something that's easily breakable. It has little elasticity. It's easily cracked. It's easily capable of being damaged. There's also, I think, a type of ice cream, butter brickle, which is an ice cream flavoring. I think it's toffee and toffee in the ice cream, and the brickle bit is the toffee. It's the broken brittle, because toffee or caramel is very brittle. It breaks or smashes very easily. I think the Canadians also use this verb to brickle, to talk about to fail spectacularly, which comes from the Bricklin, which was a two-seat sports car which went out of business. It was only around in the mid-1970s. So, but brickleness, something that's easy to break, something that is brittle, that shatters easily. This actually comes from Old English, bristle, bruco, as in break. Notice brittle, brickle, breakle. It's linked to this word to break, and it's something that is easy to break. So brickle, brickly. Yeah, this is a very brickly substance. Iron can be very brickly if it's cold, believe it or not. Yeah, if it's got some additives, then it suddenly becomes very hard. But brickle, something that's hard, something that's easy to break. Yeah, so brickle, formality. I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5. It sounds a little bit literary. So yeah, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something more formal. Yes, it does sound a bit literary. I'm thinking again, brickle bones is to do with osteoporosis, and your bones break quite easily. So brickle, brickleness, brickly. Bye for now.